When the sun goes down along the Milwaukee River, the lights along the Daniel W. Hoan Memorial Bridge burst into life. For nearly 4 years, this Wisconsin landmark has illuminated the night sky with its multicolor light shows. GPRS is proud to have helped breathe new life into the Hoan Bridge by assisting with the installation of this lighting system. Area Manager Paul Mandela and project managers Chase Lopnow and Alex Kleinschmidt spent 2 weeks conducting concrete scanning services on the bridge to ensure safe installation of hundreds of lights along the 607-foot, 47-year-old structure. The bridge underwent a complete structural overhaul in late 2016. In 2018, a nonprofit campaign dubbed Light the Hoan Bridge sought to install a lighting system along the bridge with the goal of offering a platform for building awareness and improving community pride. GPRS used ground-penetrating radar to scan the concrete along the side of the bridge where the lights were to be installed to ensure the new infrastructure would not clash with existing electrical conduit running through the structure. Our team members had to strap themselves into safety harnesses and hang upside down to reach the sections of the bridge where the lights were installed. Protecting this existing infrastructure was vital. A utility strike during installation of the lights would have shut down the bridge for an extended period and endangered the lives of the workers performing the installation and anyone else who may have been on the bridge at the time. But because we did our job, none of this happened. The west side of the bridge was officially lit for the first time in a ceremony held October 22, 2020. A fundraising campaign is currently underway to light up the east side of the bridge. For our team members involved in this project, it was truly special being able to contribute to something that will delight Milwaukee residents and visitors alike for decades to come. But no matter the size or scope of your project, GPRS is determined to help keep it on time and on budget and everyone involved safe. Thanks for watching. If you like this, check out these other videos. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you see our latest content as soon as it drops.